Good evening, friends. Today we will be discussing a beautiful question. But before that, I want to tell you a concept. In our previous video, we saw what is a prefix sum. Now, let me teach you a important concept related to that. Suppose we have taken an integer array and we find the prefix sum of that array, and the prefix sum came like this. Suppose our array was 9, 1, 8, 6, 5, 2, 4, 3, and 10. So what will be our prefix sum? The first element will be 9, the second will be 10, 18, 24, 29, 31, 35, 38, and nothing else but 48. Okay. So let's see. If someone asks you the sum of the elements from the 0th position to some x index, so it will be equal to the element present at the x index in the prefix sum array. So you must have understood sum of the elements from 0 till x will be equal to the element present at the prefix sum x index. And if someone asks you element in between, like from here to here, from position A to position B, the sum of the elements will be for some random position A to B, which is not starting from the starting element. It will be pre of bth index minus pre of A index, A naught. Here it will be what? A minus 1. It is an important point, you should notice it. It is not A, it is A minus 1. I hope you have liked this concept. Now we'll move further to our question. Moving further to our question, let's see what our question says. It says if we are given an array, we have to find an element or the position of the element where we can find the equal sum till that element and for after that element to last of the element. See, suppose we are given an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and the prefix sum array for this will be 1, 5, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, and 36 and 45. I have explained till here in you very much time. Now let's see. If we suppose that x is the index till which the sum from 0 to x and then the sum from x to n minus 1 is equal, and we have to find here our x, and I told you that the sum of the elements from 0 to x will be nothing else but pre of x, and sum of the elements from this to this will be pre of n minus 1 minus pre of x plus 1 minus 1. Here it will be not x, it will be x plus 1, the index just after that x. Okay, so just see here how the calculation goes on. Pre of x equal to pre of n minus 1 minus pre of x. If we take it here, it will be 2 times of pre of x will be equal to pre of n minus 1. So we will be getting that the x is the position in the prefix sum array, or we can say that where if we multiply it by 2, we will be getting the n minus 1th index element. So let's see the code for it, how we will check it. Suppose I have taken that the int id x is equal to minus 1. I have taken that my x will be minus 1, and then I take a loop that is for int I is equal to 1 till I less than n and I plus plus. Now what? See, the 0th index cannot be the answer because nothing will come before that. So I have started my loop from 1 and nothing, but I will just check my condition which I have shown you right here why it will be perfect. That is 2 times of Suppose my array name was arr of I is equal to arr of n minus 1. You can even take a vector, there is no problem in it. And we will update our idx value to I and nothing else. Then when we will find our I value, we will just break our loop and we will come out of the for loop. And for this is the required index which you will get. We can print it also, and you might be knowing how to print it. Thank you. This is the code, you see it once again.